magkakabit tayo ng stiff ring sa Toyota Veloz. So, ito boys, ano nga bang stiff ring? So, ang stiff ring, aka is anti-vibration washer, is made of special formula aluminum. It is used to correct the car body basic geometry by filling the gap between the subframe bolts, subframe, and the car chassis bolt hole. Thus, by correcting the geometries with stiff ring, the car handling will be improved significantly. So, in layman's term, ayan, without stiff ring, kung mapapansin nyo, laki nung offset. Kasi, kung ginagawa naman yung during assembly niyan ng mga kotse, nilakihan talaga yan para madaling ipasok yung bolt, para mabilis matapos. However, pag tagal-tagal, kakaroon dyan ng misaligned subframe to chassis and uneven contact surface between chassis and subframe. So, nagkakaroon ng flexing, kaya medyo tumatagtag. While yung stiff ring, ayan, as you can see sa drawing, bukod sa sentro na siya, mas para siyang naka-weld, mas align, tapos mas intact. Okay, ayan o. Stiff ring fill the uneven contact surface between chassis and subframe. Spring effect is eliminated. Realign the subframe to chassis. Perfect geometry setup for the car. So, yan ang benefits niyan. Okay, pakabenta kayo. Thank you, ingat.
Outer. Kasi parang may naririnig yung isang brake. Ang brake?
Thank you, boss. Veloz with stiff ring.